This is Go Trains in Montreal. This is the eastbound train that I just saw earlier. It's parked here, ready to come in at Dorval. So I moved to the other side. So did it. You can see it switching over from track 1 to track 2 here at Dorval. Again, it's a very dramatic sky. So very interesting. Here at about 6:45 p.m. on the 30th of June, 2022. There may be a CN train as well, so I'd like to get into position for a good meet. Very, very dirty AC 4400 CW. There will have to be, well, we saw the DPU, but usually a train like this will have an NDPU as well. Or there's a good possibility of one as well. Of course, it all depends on whether there's mixed freight in there too. So I guess this is 130-32. Of course, this could also be 120, and the other one could have been 119, so I'm not sure. Around 7 p.m. I think it's 119 and 120 that come in. And 132 and 143 are the ones that come in around 4 o'clock p.m. if I'm not mistaken. This one's going to be slowing down to walking speed almost. as it enters the yard zone for the IMS in Lachine. And then we have auto racks. These will be full. Let's see if you can get a glimpse of the cars inside. It is nowhere near as cool as in the 70s and 80s when these auto racks would have been open and you would be able to see the models of cars. But of course, Vandals put an end to that. Now, of course, everyone wants their car to come to market without getting rocks, breaking windows, and paint thrown on it. So they developed these aluminum auto racks with these cages, aluminum cages around it. And now you can't really damage the cars. Although on occasion I've heard of them slamming through the doors or perhaps not being secured properly and smashed from inside. But that's not due to vandalism. There is no DPU. Yeah, there is a DPU on this train. Look at that. Yes. There might be two. No, it's one. It's a pusher unit. It's pushing short way forward. SD70ACU pushing. Those are really cool. Really going slow in there. And he's going into the lead track. So he's crossing onto the other track there, track 3. So if you like what I do, please subscribe to Cool Trains in Montreal. Have a good day.